welcome, one and all. This is a quick add-on video. This may or may not come out before my M1060C review, but in that I added a Fazor, a trochoid Fazor, that the design was kindly tossed to me by Dr. SneakyB. No, I will not share it. I'm sorry, that was the promise I made to Dr. Sneaks. He's a very sneaky bastard. But, no, you will not get that file from me. And I have told the person I'm about to talk about that no one else has the permission to do that unless they've designed it themselves. So, either you've cloned it, or something along those lines. You didn't get it from me. I'm not giving it to anyone. Sorry, not even some of the nicer folk that I really like in Discord. It's just not going to happen. Promises is a promise, and I'm a wizard of my word. But I will say, I have found my 3D fab guy. Holy shit, Paul Silva. Not to be confused with David Sylvia? Shit, I just call you Dave all the damn time. Hold, please. Oh my god, yes, I remember David Sylvia. Oh god. Whoo, safe, baby. I'm proud of myself because I'm horrible with names. You have no idea. None. Okay, so, Paul Silva. You can find him on Treatstock, although I will very much say this right here, right now. Don't go through Treatstock, please. Go to ca.silvatech.net. If you're a US person, if you are overseas, he will still ship some stuff to you, although it may be at a higher cost due to the overseas shipping. But he's got some great tricks up his sleeve, and he's, my god, he has helped me to save some money, especially on overseas shipping where possible. Or where necessary, I should say. But I sent him this, and it was done on an FDM printer. And I told him what my requirements were. Basically buttery smooth, but not a doable thing with FDM. But he tried and tried and tried, and I told him, you know, just for trying so damn hard because this was pissing him off that he couldn't get a good print, I was basically gonna pimp him out or whore him out on my channel. So, in a weird roundabout way, this video has been sponsored by Silva Technologies. You can go to www.ca.silvatech.net. That's ca.silvatech.net. Because he did me a solid for a very reasonable, I mean, extremely, stupidly reasonable price. And I said, yeah, dude, totally. I'll talk about your prints, and especially the weeks upon weeks, almost a month, almost maybe 2 months worth of R&D until he was happy that I would be happy with these prints. And if you aren't happy with the things that you send him, talk to him. Don't just go to Treatstock and rate him like shit. No, seriously, we were on Google Hangouts. Did a voice call, did a video call, so he could show me exactly what was going on with the printers, showed me his printers, showed me his customizations. We nerded the fuck out. It was awesome. Yeah. Nerding at his, I don't know what the hell my hands are trying to do. It's awesome. Yeah, Metal Gear. Yeah. A weapon to surpass. Odyssey. Oh god, I'm a dumbass. But no, really, he spent a lot of time with me and was constantly keeping me in the loop. Hey, my printers are down. I don't know what the hell is going on. I'm hitting a bad string of luck. Here, check out the pictures. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Just in constant contact, in the best way possible. So if you've got something you want to get help prototyping, he does have CAD stuff. He does IT work. He does antivirus, web design. Let me see the other services really quick. Remote support, management, on-site. I would assume that would probably be limited to California. I believe he said California. Anyhow, an amazingly stand-up guy, and he knows his shit when it comes to printers. Some of the throwaways that he included because he had no use for them. Shit. They're pretty good, and if I do some acetone trick, or give them a nice clear coat, damn, they'd be useful. Very useful. And he helped me out. I have found my FDM 3D fab guy. And if he broadens his horizons, permanently, my 3D fab guy. And a guy to help me with anything in CAD. Some things, I should say, in CAD, because there's a limit to his skill set, as with everyone. But he easily edited these to add supports here, where there were none, so that they would be much more rigid and print a lot more cleanly. Simple, easy stuff. And all because I talked to him instead of ordering off of treat stock, because I was curious how good of a resolution he could print at. So yeah, if y'all have some audio projects that require 3D printing for a reasonable price, especially if you're in the US, his prices are still reasonable overseas, because he knows some trickery. Legal, all legal above the line, but still trickery nonetheless. You might want to contact him and consider him. Dude's good. Seriously, these things made even unpolished, just slightly treated, lightly sanded, or I should say, rasped, filed, that's the word, lightly filed. Brought my M1060Cs, open or closed, it's kind of a convertible now, Spider, to a whole new fucking level. I actually have a lot of ideas. I'm probably gonna get him to print out one of these for my LCD2C, because I'm thinking I can make the LCD2C sound a lot fucking better, and at least a lot more coherent in the treble region, with a set of those. So, yes. Paul, thank you for working so hard, and for being so willing to get into the audiophile scene, for helping DIYers do their thing, and do it properly, and be willing to work with people, because you understand it too. I believe he takes care of, I want to say, I don't have the card he sent me, but I want to say that he does have someone to take care of, and he works very hard for that, for the money that he gets. Send him some love if you have just a basic 3D print and you want to test it out, and tell him, hey, Farsil the Wizard sent you. Please, by all means, do it. Sorry for the distracting music. I have a Monster Cat license, and I can use this music without getting copyright claimed. My channel's like whitelisted, whole 9 yards. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot more Monster Cat in the background, just because if I ever get to the point where I can monetize my videos, it'd be nice to have a little extra pocket change going into the channel rather than all of my change going into the channel. So, yeah. I have a lot more projects for you, Paul. A lot more projects, I think. They're in the works currently, all in my head, but I think you're my dude. Unfortunately for you, I'm making you my dude because you talk with me. We went over everything. I know I'm just being redundant, but that level of care, that level of give a shit. His flux capacitor is in full working order because the amount of give a fucks this guy has is astoundingly high. 1.21 give a fucks. God, I sounded like Richard Nixon. Ugh, wrong historical figure. Yes. That actor is a historical figure. I don't care what you say. That's my childhood you're messing with. Oh, I'm showing my age. So, yes. Hit him up. He's a real stand-up guy. And that's... I'm gonna stop there, because I will not be able to shut up. I'm just that happy. Legitimately. You can get on the Discord and ask David on how much I've been pestering him about how happy I am with the phases. It hasn't been a lot that I've been pestering him, but I have told him, oh my god, these things totally clean up the treble region. Worth. 100% worth. Alright, I'm out. Have a beautiful morning. A lovely afternoon. A pleasant evening. And may you grow strong in your rest, my children. Travel far and wide within the realm of your dreamscape. So long as it leads you back to me, your favorite, the great wizard, Farsil. Now in Technicolor. Ooh. That'd be kind of cool, right? I think it'd be kind of cool. Anyhow, I'm out. Ready, set,